Well, hey there, listen today. Welcome today, listen today. Welcome today, 1671 of What You Up To Now. Life is ... a confidence game. Life is simple and easy was our topic for our BU 365-day challenge today. And we talked about, well, life is simple and easy until it's not, until things come up that feel hard, make us feel like we're up against the world, or that we're a victim, or that bad things always happen to us. Beliefs, and I got to the realization that confidence is another word for belief. Belief in ourselves, belief in our ability to figure stuff out. Knowing that life is just this roller coaster of events and experiences that we actually attract into our life, but that come our way and feel like they randomly come our way. And it's up to us to learn the lessons that they're here to show us, to figure out the solutions we need to figure out to make our life work and to create the life that we want. So life is simple and easy sometimes, but we can set it up in our favor by making routines and having habits that create the life we want. And that's what this challenge is all about, the BU 365-day challenge. It's to do one thing every day that makes us a better human being, that helps us get on an automatic course of looking for the positives, looking for what's in it for us, looking for the way life is simple and easy, and then making sure we set ourselves up for success by creating routines and rituals and practices and habits that create what we want automatically in each of the areas and aspects of our life. And this month we are focusing on the confidence life framework area of our life. And confidence, I guess it's got a lot to do with mental health and mental well-being and emotional well-being and emotional intelligence, because they all tie together. We'll talk about that in a couple of days. How does confidence impact and intertwine with all the different areas and aspects of the life framework? We use a 9-area life framework: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationships, contribution, confidence, and communication. Those are the 9 areas that I structure my life around, structure my goals around, structure my improvement and the things that I want to create in my life around. Is it a perfect system? No, I'm sure I'm missing something, but so far it's the best I've found that it works the best for me. And so that's why I'm sharing it as part of the challenge. Now, our idiom today, to go along with that for Supersize Your Business for female entrepreneurs, is a confidence game. And this is one of those idioms that I personally haven't heard, but I also didn't understand the actual meaning of it. It actually means a con or a scam. I think the movies Ocean 11, Ocean's 12, the old shell game, or other cons or manipulations that are carried out on unsuspecting innocent people, right? So con artists, con man actually stands for confidence man, meaning someone that will try to get in your good graces and in your confidence and win your trust so that they can defraud and take advantage of you. Now, I would love to say no one's ever done that to me, but that would be a lie, because I needed to learn the lesson to look out for people that were just in the world for themselves and weren't really doing what they said they were going to do. And we see that all the time in business and in life. People that are manipulating, people that are lying, cheating, stealing, being dishonest to get what they want and not caring whether they hurt other people or not. If you ever worked in corporate America, you probably know what I'm talking about. There are people in any type of organization, not just corporate America, but that's where I saw it most clearly, that just want to climb the corporate ladder and they don't care who they step on or hurt along the way. They're perfectly happy to take credit for your work, to throw you under the bus, or get you fired in order to advance themselves. So one of the reasons I left corporate America, the politics and the nonsense were something that I didn't choose to participate in. So a confidence game, I thought it meant, how do you increase your confidence to feel better about yourself, create a better business, and make the world a better place? Exact opposite, right? It's just the exact opposite. So that was, I love when I learn something new about what I'm sharing too, because it helps me to get better and learn more and understand more. If I were to say, hey, this is a confidence game to people, and they actually know the true meaning of it, I would have really embarrassed myself, because I would be saying and meaning it's a way to make us better and to make the world a better place, and they would be thinking, well, what kind of con or scam are we running on our customers? That would be terrible. So I love when I learn new things too. My mom's movers are coming tomorrow, so I am going to spend a lot of time helping her today to wrap up and tie up loose ends and pack the stuff she needs and sort the stuff that she wants to keep here when she comes up in the summers to stay with my youngest sister. Otherwise, if I can help you anyway, ask. Sunday weekends are family time, so I hope they are for you as well. But if you need something, remember, jamgrandma@gmail.com, Voxer. If you don't know what that is, look it up, because it is my personal favorite tool for quickly communicating with folks. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.